Diabetes affects millions worldwide, and for decades, metformin has been the go-to treatment. But what if there's a new player in town that could change the game? Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking discovery of HPH-15 and how it's outperforming metformin in managing type 2 diabetes. Stay tuned. Metformin has been a cornerstone in diabetes treatment for years. It helps control blood sugar levels and is widely prescribed. However, it's not without its limitations. Many patients experience side effects like gastrointestinal issues, and for some, it simply doesn't work effectively. This has left researchers searching for a better solution. Enter HPH-15, a revolutionary compound that's making waves in the medical community. Studies show that HPH-15 not only reduces blood sugar levels, but also targets fat metabolism, addressing two critical issues in type 2 diabetes. But what makes it stand out? Number 1. Dual action. HPH-15 lowers blood sugar and reduces fat accumulation. Number 2. Fewer side effects. Unlike metformin, HPH-15 is gentler on the stomach. Number 3. Enhanced efficacy. Early trials show it works better for patients who don't respond well to metformin. So, how does HPH-15 outperform metformin? Let's look at the science. HPH-15 works by targeting specific pathways in the liver and muscles, improving insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake. In clinical trials, patients using HPH-15 saw a significant drop in HbA1c levels compared to those on metformin. Plus, it showed remarkable results in reducing visceral fat, a major contributor to diabetes complications. This breakthrough isn't just exciting for researchers, it's life-changing for patients. If you've struggled with metformin's side effects or haven't seen the results you hoped for, HPH-15 could be the answer. It's a step toward personalized diabetes care, offering hope for better management and a healthier future. The future of diabetes treatment is here, and HPH-15 is leading the charge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zero Diabetes Zone for more updates on cutting-edge diabetes research. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your health.